Hello everyone, welcome back to ZoomInData. Today I am demonstrating our AI-powered smart medical refrigerator monitoring system. This solution uses artificial intelligence, IoT monitoring and predictive analytics to ensure the safe storage of vaccines, blood samples and temperature-sensitive medical products. As shown on the screen, the system starts with a secure login page. Other authorized users can access the platform using their credentials. This ensures that only approved personnel can monitor and manage refrigerator operations. After login, users are directed to the main dashboard. The application provides multiple modules including executive dashboard, alert management, operation dashboard, AI compliance assistant, remaining useful life prediction, temperature and anomaly detection, and compliance dashboard. The executive dashboard provides a high-level overview of refrigerator health and performance. Users can monitor key operational metrics, device status, temperature conditions, and overall system performance through visual charts and indicators. Here we can see the alert management system. Alerts are categorized using color-coded severity levels. Green indicates normal operation. Yellow indicates a potential issue. Orange indicates high issue. Orange indicates high risk. And red indicates immediate action is required. This helps maintenance team prioritize responses effectively. The operation dashboard provides detailed operational insights. It monitors temperature stability, power usage, door activity, compressor performance, and other important parameters. These metrics help identify abnormal conditions before they affect stored medical products. The AI compliance assistant helps healthcare organizations maintain regularity compliance. It analyzes operational data, identifies compliance risks, and provides recommendations to ensure storage conditions meet healthcare standards. Next, this module uses machine learning algorithms to estimate the remaining useful life of refrigerator components. Predictive maintenance reduces unexpected failures and helps organizations schedule maintenance activity proactively. Next, temperature anomaly detection. The temperature anomaly detection module continuously analyzes sensor data to detect unusual temperature patterns. If abnormal fluctuations occur, the system immediately generates alerts to prevent spoilage of vaccines and medicine to prevent spoilage of vaccines and medicines. Here we can see the compressor health over time visualization. The system tracks compressor performance and health scores. Monitoring compressor behavior is critical because it is core component responsible for maintaining proper cooling conditions. If you need more information regarding the courses, please log into our website zoomindata.com, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel Zoom in Data. Thank you.